Hey guys, in this video I will be doing a hot pink look. So if you guys want to see how I do my everyday makeup look, and if you want to see the makeup look I create, keep on watching. But first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, thumbs this video up if you like it, and leave a comment and share also. And follow me on my social media. IG page is _glamkey_. So first I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige, and I apply that all over my lid. And this will be my base for my eyeshadow. And I be sure to blend this out very well. So going in with the Playing in Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock palette, I'm going to use the color Carnival, and I'm going to use my finger and apply that right directly onto my eyelid. I'm going to pick up a generous amount until it's the consistency that I want. And this is to ensure that I get the color payoff that I'm intending to get. Alright, for the next step, I'm going to go in with the color out of this palette called Bam Bam. It is a black color. I'm going to lightly apply that into my upper crease area. I'm going to apply it and add no more product to my brush. And then take a clean brush and blend that out. A brush, and I'm going to blend the pink into the crease. I'm going to go in with a small brush and apply that Carnival color into my crease and blend it together with the black. And then I'm going to go back in with my finger and reapply that pink. So now I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and use the color I'm On. I'm going to apply that into my inner area. And I did a baby wing because I didn't plan on doing the wing, but I messed up on one side, so I just did a baby wing. So I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the color Ever. And then I'm going to use the ColourPop lip gloss in the color Fantasia. I'm going to finish off with a setting spray. So guys, this is the finished look. It turned out way different than I expected. I was going to do it all pink and a little bit of a shiny color with it, with a little shimmer color, but for some reason somebody said get the black. And I hope you guys like this look. If you do like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, and if you are subscribed and do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.